Renault 5 was first introduced in 1972 and was produced until 1985. It was designed by Michel Boué and was launched as a replacement for the Renault 4. The car was known for its modern design, spacious interior, and fuel efficiency. Design and features. The Renault 5 was available in several body styles, including a 3-door hatchback, 5-door hatchback, and a 2-door sedan. The car featured a front-wheel drive layout and was powered by a range of gasoline and diesel engines. Safety features. The Renault 5 was equipped with basic safety features, including seat belts, and a driver's side airbag on later models. Performance. The Renault 5's performance varied depending on the engine choice. The base model featured a 0.8L gasoline engine producing 26 horsepower, while the top-of-the-line model featured a 1.4L gasoline engine producing 68 horsepower. Interior and comfort. The Renault 5's interior was known for its spaciousness and comfort. The car featured a simple dashboard design, vinyl seats, and ample cargo space. Legacy. The Renault 5 was a popular model for Renault, with over 5 million units sold worldwide during its production run. The car's success helped establish Renault as a major player in the European automotive market. Second generation. In 1985, Renault introduced the second generation Renault 5, which featured a more modern design, improved performance, and updated safety features. The second generation model was produced until 1996. Revival. In 2021, Renault announced plans to revive the Renault 5 nameplate with an all-new electric vehicle. The new Renault 5 is expected to feature a modern design, advanced safety features, and a range of electric powertrains.